In this lecture, we will study about ANN, that is Artificial Neural Network. But before understanding about artificial network, we need to understand what is biological neural network, because ANN is completely based on BNN. It has taken the logic and concept of BNN to generate ANN. As we say, we are creating artificial neuron. Obviously, if we are creating any artificial thing, then we have to take some knowledge or idea from the already existing thing. So for that, we have biological neural network. In biological neural network consists of many interconnected neurons. Brain consists of 100, or we can say billion, of cells called as neurons. This is the structure of neuron, a single neuron in which there is a center at nucleus, and they are the dendrites, which are seen as branches. So the input in the neuron goes through the dendrites to the towards the end of the cell, towards the cell body, and then to the synapses. So there are Xeon is basically the carrier of the information which carries it to the synapses, and the end point of the synapses is output terminal axon. So neural is the fundamental unit of brain. Neural network is made up of number of processing elements called neurons. Human brain consists of huge number of neurons. Covers 10 to the power n neurons with numeric interconnection. Each neuron has approximate 10 to the power 4 synapses. Neurons are converted together by synapses, which are the connection across which a neuron can send input to other neurons. So synapses is the basically a carrier to the information from one neuron to another. Each neuron accepts input from external world into dendrites and form output of other neurons, process it and give output through the axons. Now we'll discuss about the ANN, that is artificial neural network. It is a computational non-linear model that is inspired through the brain, or we can say neurons. Like people, it learn from examples. So it can perform tasks like classification, prediction, decision making and visualization. It consists of collection of artificial neurons or processing elements which operates in parallel. Every neuron is connected with other through connection link. ठीक है, हर एक न्यूरॉन इसमें कनेक्टेड होता है एक कनेक्शन लिंक के थ्रू, और उसमें एक एसोसिएटेड वेट होता है जो कि एक्चुअल में इंफॉर्मेशन होती है अबाउट द इनपुट सिग्नल. एवरी न्यूरॉन हैज़ वेटेड इनपुट, एन एक्टिवेशन फंक्शन एंड वन आउटपुट. हर एक न्यूरॉन जो कि आर्टिफिशियल न्यूरल नेटवर्क में हम बात कर रहे हैं, हर न्यूरॉन के पास एक वेटेड इनपुट होता है, एक्टिवेशन फंक्शन होता है जो डिफाइन करता है आउटपुट को इन द कॉन्टेक्स्ट ऑफ गिवन इनपुट, एंड वन आउटपुट प्रोवाइडेड होता है. Not necessarily one output, it can be two also, but generally we define a neuron as like this only, कि एक weighted input हमें provided होते हैं, activation function होता है और एक output provided होता है. So we can say this is the structure of a single neuron in where x1, x2, x3, xn are the inputs. W1, W2, W3 till Wn are the weights of the input, and it goes to the activation function that is given. Activation function can be three types mainly: sigmoid function, linear function or heaviside step function, and then finally it gives the output. This is a single layer ANN, single layer artificial neural network, which is also known as perceptron. It also contains a bias with the inputs, which is the factor which decides which helps in deciding the output. So explain the concept of perceptron with neat diagram. We have a number of inputs x1 x2 till xm. M are the inputs. Weight is provided in that w1 w2 till wm, sigma, and then activation function, and then finally output. This sigma is the net input function which we need to calculate before calculating the output in terms of activation function. So perceptron is a simple model of biological neuron in an artificial neural network. Perceptron is also the name of an early algorithm for supervised learning of binary classifiers. It is a type of linear classifier, a classification algo that makes its prediction based on linear prediction function combining a set of. This perceptron model is already discussed before when I have just discussed it about the single layer ANN. Single layer ANN is also known as perceptron. Now we need to know the basic key differences between the artificial neural network and biological neural network. In artificial neural networks, it is stationary, but in BNN, it is unstable. In artificial network, it is input driven. It needs input, but in biological neural network it is self-organizing, means neurons are organized by self. ANN is task oriented. Whenever a task is given, accordingly we have to create our neurons, and but in BNN it is goal oriented. In ANN there are nested circuits, there are circuits then circuits then circuits, so it is nested circuits, but in BNN it is micro macro interactive. ANN has bits, symbols, and informations. In BNN, it has flows, patterns, and meaning. You can also learn some more ANN and BNN differences by yourself, but the basic key differences we need to know are these differences. You can write your differences according to you also. If you know the difference between ANN and BNN, it is not compulsory that you need to learn this only. So neuron is the basic unit of neural network. It gets certain number of inputs and bias value is fixed to 1. In this lecture we have just discussed about the ANN and BNN and also perceptron, that how it look like, what is the artificial neural network contains, and what is basically the inputs, activation function, output, etc. So yes, next in the next lecture we'll discuss more in detail about the perceptron. Till then, thank you.